Okay, so it's mailbag time again. Not quite so many this month. I think we've got 8 to open. Have to confess, I accidentally opened a couple this month. Let's start with this great big long one. I actually know what's in here. It's a little bit hard to get into the shop, but this is 1 meter long. Wasn't super impressed with the packaging. It initially looked okay, but then I realised that the end is actually split open here. So the items could have fell out. It's actually going to make it easy for me to get in here. So these are threaded rods. Probably don't need to take them out, but pretty hard to show you how long they are in this camera shot. But these are 1 meter long, they're M10, and there should be 2 of them. Not really much to say about these, but these are for the in-move legs if you're following the in-move videos. We'll be needing these soon. Trust me, there is another one in there, I can't get it out. There we go. Yeah, 2 rods, M10, not really much more to say. They do look nice and straight, so I'm happy with them. Now this box here is from, it did say, where is this from? Fixings and Powertools Center Ltd. So again, I'm pretty sure I know what's in here. I can't remember exactly what I ordered. There's quite a few items in here. I will try and leave links to everything in the description. It's pretty well wrapped. It's going to make it tricky for me to get in here, isn't it? I think I had to order quite a few things because they do charge for delivery. There we go. Let's just tip it out. So basically, it should be a good selection of nuts and bolts at all different sizes. Not sure what that says. I tried to order different size threads. These are all machine screws, I think. Different size threads and different lengths. 4 by 25 that says. So this must say 5 by 25. 5 by 50. 6 by 60. Yeah, you can see all sorts of different sizes here. Just wanted to make sure I had a good selection, so when I'm building things, I don't want to get caught out by not having the right size bolt. I've got a pretty good selection of M3s, but I didn't have anything else really. M4 nuts. M6. These are M5 nuts. And then these are specifically again for the in-move, for that M10 threaded rod that we saw. These are the M10 nuts and M10 washers. These do have particular form factors. I can't remember exactly what form factor they were. Don't think it terribly matters. Not sure if I've got enough of these. I think there's 20. Yeah. So these ones will probably get used up straight away on the in-move. The rest of the stuff will just go into stock. Let's move on. It's probably a private eBay seller. We don't seem to have any Amazon parcels this month. I think I did actually open one up during the month. What have we got here? No idea. Looks like it might be an SD card reader. Probably this. It says Mosey and Miso, so this must be an SPI interface. There we go. Micro SD card adapter with a SPI interface. Cool. This one says Dazzle Tech Limited. Getting suspicious it's probably an eBay parcel. Look like capacitors. This is paperwork. What does the paperwork say? Ceramic disc capacitor kit, 10 pieces, approximately 25 different values, 250 capacitors. I didn't have a good selection of ceramic caps, so I just ordered a kit. I guess I'm going to have to, they don't look like they're labelled up, so I'm going to have to actually read the numbers off the caps. That says 104 by the looks of it. Yeah. So just a selection of ceramic caps, nothing in particular in mind for these, just wanted to have some stock. Paperwork. And the items fell out. These are switches. So these are going to be for my Z80 computer project. I think this is to select the clock. I don't know if it's the manual clock or yeah. I think they. Let's open these up. They're latching by the looks of it. And we got, look very nice, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, they're latching, so you push and they latch in, and then you push again to release. So I think that's going to be to select between the manual clock and the automatic clock. 6 pins there, not sure how we connect them up. Shouldn't be too difficult. Yeah, they do look very nice. Probably use them on some different projects. Another eBay parcel. Looks like I'm cutting into the item. Yeah. Wire. 1/0.6, so I think that means one strand at 0.6 millimeters, I think. So it'll be solid wire. I think that was just for some breadboarding projects. I think that 1.6 wire is good for breadboards. I think there's 11 different colours in there. So I'll put I'll put all the prices in the description what I paid. Yeah, I did have some of this before, but I was getting through it, so I thought I'd order some more. Right, now I know what this one is because I opened up one of these during the month. I just thought it was a letter because it came in an envelope like this. Didn't realise it was actually a mailbag parcel. I think it was safe to cut through this. I might cut through the paperwork, but I don't think that matters. I'm going to cut these off. So they're actually drill bits. They're very small ones. I just ordered these because in my kit of drill bits I've obviously broken or lost these particular sizes. I thought I'd just order these to get the kit back up to the full complement again. I think they're 1mm and 0.5mm, but I could be wrong. It's going to be impossible for my eyes to see them. Let's see what... Yeah, 1.0 and 1.5. And we're on the last one. Now someone's been nibbling into this one. I'm not sure if that was my wife or my daughter. I actually ordered these for my wife and she wanted them, so I had to let her open them. She couldn't wait until May. They're actually cable ties, all different colours. So we've got green, tape, yuck. 100 by 2.5. They're not telling us the length, are they? Or is the 100 is the length, I guess. 100mm by 2.5mm. Green, blue, yellow, black, red and white. Yeah. Let's have a tidy up and then we'll have a recap. So with the nuts and bolts, they're all machine screws and they're all posi panhead and they're all bright zinc. I've got M4 by 16, M4 by 20, M4 by 25, M4 by 30, M4 by 40, M4 by 50 and some M4 nuts. And then we've got M5 by 20, M5 by 25, M5 by 30, M5 by 40, M5 by 50, M5 by 60 and some M5 nuts. And we've got M6 by 20, M6 by 30, M6 by 40, M6 by 50, M6 by 60 and M6 by 70. So that should give me a pretty good selection of machine screws. So this is my drill set that I've been using for quite a few years now. And you can see here I've got a good selection of different size drill bits for high-speed steel. But there's a couple missing down here, and it's not really the fact that they're missing. It's not that they're missing because I've misplaced them, it's because I've broken them. And that did seem a shame. Got quite a nice set here and a couple missing, but that's why I ordered the 1 and 1.5mm drill bits. So we can pop them in here now. There. And the set is complete again. Apart from this. Don't know where that's gone. It's going to bug me now, isn't it? Also seems to be one missing here. I'm sure that'll be here somewhere. So quick recap, we had the M10 threaded rod, 1 meter long, two of those. We had the selection of nuts and bolts, including the M10 nuts and washers that we're going to be using with that M10 threaded rod for the in-move. We got a selection of ceramic disc capacitors, a couple of drill bits, the latching switches, the micro SD card with the SPI interface, solid wire, selection of different colours, and the different coloured cable ties. Got the red, blue, green, yellow, black and white. So that's about it for this time. We'll see you next month.